We know a lot of you young people drowning under student loan debt. I'm not going to talk long about it. It was spoken about earlier. But you should not have the indignity. You should not have the indignity of your name and your face going on paper. All because you follow the covenant that society has made with succeeding generations. That if you work hard in school, when you graduate, you must can get a job. And even though Andrew Wellness counting windscreen wipers and people who work in summer job, even though them left school long time in them employment numbers, and showing how out of touch he is by saying only 20,000 people unemployed, we know better than that. And so the next People's National Party government go and freeze your student loan payment until you get a job. Because society has a responsibility to create the environment so that you can get a job when you left college. Turn up the